What's up, guys? This is your boy, the Average Gamer 98 over here, back with another YouTube gaming channel growth video. And in today's video, we are gonna look at how to do keyword research to rank your videos higher up in search results without using any tools. That's right, guys. We are not going to use any tools right now. So this is absolutely free and you can actually get an idea of the keywords that even the other YouTubers are using. So stick with me, guys, and watch this video till the end to get an idea of how to take up keywords for your YouTube gaming related videos. And we are going to get started right now. So first up, we will be going into Google Chrome and we will want to go into the incognito mode. To do this, you press Ctrl Shift and N. This will open the incognito mode and will not have any bias on the results. So let's type in a keyword. Let's say Injustice 2 Mobile. You can see a lot of suggestions are given by YouTube. So these are actually the words that are even searched by people. That is why they're coming up in this suggestion. So all the suggestions that you're seeing here can be actually used as keywords for your video. So you can basically work your video around the keywords that you're seeing here. Let's type in something else. For example, how to grow. You can see, like, if I'm just typing how to grow, you are getting a lot of suggestions. But let's see how to grow your gaming. You can see, like, there are multiple suggestions. So all these can actually be used as a long tail keyword. So basically, long tail keyword means a lot of words, like more than 2 3 words are being used to uh, develop your keyword. So this is like an example of a short tail keyword. Like, for example, if I just type FIFA, so this is more generic and it is kind of difficult to rank for these keywords because there will be a lot of content creators who are creating this videos for this short tail keyword. So my advice is to kind of target long tail keywords initially as a beginner. So like you can see how to play FIFA 2020. If you just type in, you are getting more suggestions. So this is it for how to actually kind of develop your keywords and basically the keywords list using this YouTube suggestions that are there. Let's jump into the next part, which is using Google Trends. So what is Google Trends? So Google Trends is basically a website which shows search traffic. So this is something that people are already searching for. And if you're using the keywords that you find there is a trend in, then there are chances that you are going to get more views. So let's type in how to grow your gaming channel here. You can see this specific long tail keyword does not have a lot of potential here. So you want to actually shorten up your keyword when you're trying to search for Google Trends. Now, this might look a bit contradicting to what I said, that you want to use long tail keywords for YouTube search, but you want to use a short tail here. So the reason is basically when you are trying to search for YouTube videos directly as a new YouTuber, you want to target the long tail keywords, but that's not the only keyword that you're going to use. So it should be a mix as well with some short tail keywords, but your major keyword should be a long tail keyword. So that's the highlight over here. As you can see, like I've tried to shorten it down, like grow gaming only. And you can see here, I can do some changes, like I can search worldwide how it is coming up. So you can see that related topics which are breakout actually indicates that these are searched more often. Now what you can do is you can change this to an YouTube search. So once you do a change to an YouTube search, you are getting more number of related queries which are coming up. So if you target something like how to grow YouTube channel fast, how to grow YouTube channel 2020, like these type of keywords, which are again here is a long tail keyword, which have a very high, searches. So you can still actually rank your video and potentially get more views. So this is how technically Google Trends work. So you can type in the video that you want to make or create, and you can check in how to create the keywords through Google Trends. So this is the second technique that we can look at. Also, what we can do here is also we can change the location. So for example, if I type in India, so suppose you're distributing your video more to Indian people, you want to check out how the distribution looks like for India. So for India, you can see in the past 7 days, it has not been that much. But if you change this to a YouTube search, you will see there was still some amount which you can relate back to. So this is how Google Trends kind of work. So let's jump into the next part, which is again without using tools, like I said, and I will explain how to get more keywords. So let's jump right into the third part, which you can see here, like I've typed in my search term, and I'll go into my video, which is ranked pretty high up right now. So what I want to do here is I will press Control and U. So pressing Control and U together will take me to the page source. So once this page source opens up, I'll press Control plus F, which will open up the find tool. So in the find tool, I'll just type in keywords. So once I type in keywords, you can see it shows up the keywords that I have used in my video. So I have highlighted the keywords that I've used in my video, and you can actually go into any of the YouTube videos that you are kind of targeting and do this method to check the keywords that you want to use. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you find this content helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to not miss any of my uploads. So this is your boy, the Average Gamer 98 over here signing off. You guys take care, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.